Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and today, honestly, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I know I need to do something with this hair. Do you see it is bad? So we're gonna do something with this hair. I'm just not quite sure what. I was thinking like sleek, low bun, something like that. I don't know. Let's just do something. Okay, so So first we're going to take this bobby pin and we're going to part our hair. Bobby pins work really good for getting a straight part. So we're just going to part. See? Look how good that bobby pin did. Now right now, I don't know if I should be doing any kind of sleek look because your girl has got some roots. I'll tell you that. I'm also not going to be using any gel because I have to do some other things. I have to do some other things with my hair. So normally I would say use gel to get it really slick. Thankfully my hair is dirty. So, alright. Yeah, but normally I would say use some gel or a little bit of hairspray to... Ma'am? Ma'am? We're trying to do hairs. Do I need to do your hairs? Okay, we're going to do the Rosie's hairs. Oh, wait. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, you so pretty. Say, hello. I was a girl. Oh, hi, Goose. Okay, Rose, you got to get down. Thank you. Okay, so what I like to do is smooth everything out, because that makes it a whole lot easier. Could you quit going through my stuff, Rosie? Rosie! No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Stop. Okay, so we've gotten everything pretty much smoothed out. That's where the hairspray or the gel would come in handy, those flyaways. And then I'm just going to bring everything back here. Like so. And then you can take an elastic, a rubber band, a ponytail holder, whatever. And then you might have to take the brush. I didn't tighten the ponytail holder super tight so I would be able to like smooth. And this is really difficult when you have roots because it shows every little mess up. Also, this is just a little Conair brush. If you see how this is made, it is amazing. Okay, so we're working with this, and we could just leave it like this. Just leave it as a sleek pony. But I'm trying to think, what do we want to do to make it look a little more extra? Honestly, it feels kind of lumpy back there. Maybe we want to... We're going to loosen the ponytail holder. We're going to loosen the ponytail. And then we're going to make a little hole. And we're going to push the ponytail holder through. And then we're going to tighten the ponytail holder back up. Then maybe, let's see. No. Huh. Well, shit. Let's go up instead of under. Okay, now we're up and we've kind of covered. Oh, huh. Hold on. Well, that's kind of cute. Hold on. We've stumbled upon something. Then we're going to use this claw clip. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. And it's not going anywhere either. Like, I don't know about you, but a lot of times whenever I do my hair in a claw clip, it just slides out, especially if I do anything like barely jump, run, jog across the street because there's a car coming and I'm trying to hurry up through the entrance door of Target. So let me show you what the back looks like. You see the back? you can't even really see the ponytail holder. So what I did was I took the low pony and then I pulled the ponytail holder out and I split it and then I brought it up through the bottom so it was sticking up here. That's why it looks like this. And then I just brought the hair up and just put the clip over it. And so now, as you can see, I'm shaking my desk, it is not loose at all. It is like extremely tight and secure. And then you've got like this very 90s like moment. I don't like how long this is, so I'm just going to put that back in the clip. You've got this very 90s like waterfall moment going on up here. You could pull out some front pieces. And like right here, this is a little loose. So I would just take, where's the bobby pin I had? I would just take a bobby pin and just bobby pin that. And it's not loose, like it's not sticking out anymore. And any lumps or bumps you might have had like right here, because that's always where my hair likes to get lumpy and bumpy whenever I'm trying to do like a sleek parted pony. That is super cute. Also, if your hair was like a little bit curled, wavy, you could take these pieces and like curl them, and then that would be cute as well. And I already have some hair coming out, so let me show you what it would look like. Yeah, these pieces right here are so short. I figured they were gonna fall back out. But this is what it would look like with some pieces in the front. And then you could always take these and curl these if you wanted to. That's pretty cute, guys. That was an accident. Hold on. It's plugged in. It was meant to be. We're going to do a little curl. We're going to do a little wave. And then maybe we'll curl some of these. Here, you come back out. You come back out. We're going to curl you. We're going to do some cute shit with you. Let's let this warm up. And then we're going to do some cute stuff. See, I didn't even know what I was going to do, but we have turned into something fairly cute. And this is the most secure claw clip I've ever had. It's just like not going anywhere. This claw clip, this tan one, came from Walmart. I think it's like the Scunchie brand. Scunchie? How do you say that? The SCUNI or SCUNCI or however you spell it. It's whatever that is. So good. So good. Okay, are you hot? Yep. Good thing about a chi, they get warm pretty quick. Let's go like this. Oh my goodness, so cute. I think I need a little bit more on this side. So I'm going to grab a little bit more. Let's try that one more time. I lost it at the end. There we go. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. That is so cute. And then we're going to take, let's just curl some of the, oh, I lost it. I lost it. There we go. This is a very 90s inspired. This looks like 90s prom. Girl, we are looking like 90s prom up in this bee. It is cute though. It is cute. And you just back home, get you some height. Closer to God. Okay? Oh my gosh. Guys, this was a total accident, but I am living out my 90s fantasies right now. Such a cute hairstyle. I wish I was this cute, like my hair had been this cute back in the 90s. I was not. For sure. Anyway, so here's the hairdo. And then I didn't know where we were starting, but we definitely ended somewhere very, very cute. Let me know if you try out this little technique to make your claw clip extra strong. And I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that before you go. You can also check the links in the description box so you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.